I'm posting this on Facebook because everybody was wondering what the fooler would sound like and asked me on helping me on fixing it. But this is a Yamaha Kodiak automatic 403. I went through the motor and flooded it. It sounds like it's got no compression, but when I do start it, the overheat light comes on. You could hear it going and stuff. That's basically what it sounds like. I know the pistons are moving, and I know that it needs the top end rebuilt and stuff. And it does have spark. I don't know what the deal is. I drained the oil about 5 or 6, 10 times. It's still got water in the oil. I drained the gas. I redid every single thing new. I checked all the fuses and all. But full throttle open and nothing. Kill switch on, full throttle. Well, nothing on that one. Nothing. Give me some comments below if you do know what you're talking about. If you don't, just hit the like button.